Run.
Welcome to this video. My name is Kyle Lee Weber. Super excited for you to be on this video. You want to know about Legendary Marketer and how it can benefit you. All right, we're going to go over it. My business partner, Nick Anderson, is going to give you guys a high-level overview. Nick and I Nick's done millions and millions of dollars in sales. And what I want you to learn from this, actually, let's just roll the clip.
When I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, no I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
What's going on, lifestylepreneurs? I hope you guys are ready to rank up now. So I'm going to show you guys some results first so you know that this works, okay? Inside of the account, I'm just going to go ahead and log in really quick and show you guys proof that this worked, because everyone out there talks online, but no one's willing to show proof. So I'm just going to go to my business. I'm going to go ahead and click stats really quick and give it a second to load. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click commissions. You guys are gonna see today, they've done $7,000. Yesterday, did a little over $1,300. The last 7 days, a little over $9,000. The last 30 days, over $19,000. And then we've only been promoting this business, Legendary Marketer, for the past couple months. So just understand that, this takes work, okay? You actually have to apply what we teach you in this video. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what you guys get and how you can get started and get on the track to start producing results yourself, okay? But first, let me just kind of go over what Legendary Marketer offers and why it's important for you to become, a professional online marketer and learn marketing for any business, okay? Because you're watching this right now, you might already have a business, okay? Brick and mortar, maybe you're doing like network marketing, affiliate marketing, any sort of business that you're building right now, you need to learn the skills that are taught inside of this system. And if you don't have a business, the coolest part about this is not only are you learning the skills in order to become a professional online marketer, but you can earn a pretty substantial income if you apply what we teach. Okay, so I'm going to click my products really quick, and the first thing when you guys get started by clicking the link below is you're going to go through the core steps, okay, and your coach that you're going to get when you join is going to walk you through these steps as well. So you're going to see right here there's 15 steps, okay, and Dave Sharp, the CEO of this company, has put together this system and has made these videos for you to educate you properly on how to build a successful business online and what you need to know to lay the foundation, because the foundation has to be built before you build the skyscraper. Otherwise, your business is going to crumble, okay? So all these videos help you build the firm foundation as soon as you join. Now, the Marketers Club is very cool because it's going to show you guys, how to do the actual marketing, how to start driving traffic, how to do Facebook ads, lead generation, tracking your leads and sales, creating a YouTube advertising funnel, how to create an effective fan page on social media, how to build your Instagram, the big money blueprint, right? How to earn high ticket sales, because maybe you're playing around with businesses right now that you're selling a 20, 30, 40, 50, or even just $100 a month product. You got to learn how to earn high commissions. Like if you guys think of a company like Louis Vuitton or Gucci, right? What do they sell? They sell high ticket clothing products. That's why those are some of the most prestigious companies of all time, okay? Apple has, low ticket products and they have high ticket products. So that's the coolest part about Legendary Marketer. They have both, the best of both worlds for you, okay? Now the Builder product, you're going to see the attraction marketing code, how to become a master of attraction marketing to where people chase you down and you no longer have to chase people. Because you ever, quick story for you, okay? Do you guys ever remember sitting on social media, right, and messaging people, trying to get them interested in your business? You're like, hey, I see you're an entrepreneur. I like connecting with other like-minded entrepreneurs. Tell me more about what you do. And then they're trying to pitch you about their business, you're trying to pitch them about your business, and it just doesn't work out. That's why you got to master this skill set right here of attraction marketing. And Dave does an amazing job with this storytelling formula, how to tell a compelling story that actually captivates your target market, whatever niche that you're in. And this is some very, very powerful NLP type of stuff for you, okay? Master of enrollment, how to become a master producer. Because think about this. How do you create an income that is independent from your team's production? by learning how to produce. If you don't learn how to produce, then your team won't produce. So if you're building like a network marketing type company, for example, you got to be a producer, right? You got to learn how to sponsor thousands of people so your income is independent from your team's production, okay? How to do a profitable presentation. If you want to learn how to become a professional public speaker, then you need to learn this skill. So important, all right? So the leader product, all right, this is very big. Words, right? Big idea, bridging, the gap between your audience and your product and how to combine those together to where they feel like they not only just want it, but they need it in their life, okay? Legendary speakers, all right, you're gonna have 6 modules here. You guys are gonna see the past events, all the recordings of those exclusive masterminds that we've done, where you're gonna be able to get access to the recordings of those, where it's just high-level stuff where so many people were having breakthroughs during those events, you guys. Very, very key, okay? Now, the coolest part, and our favorite part about this business, is the fact that you get coaches to close sales for you, okay? As soon as you join, when you click the link below, okay, while watching this video or after watching this video, you're gonna get your own 6- and 7-figure coach to guide you through the steps. And the coolest part is if you decide, and when you decide to promote this system, Legendary Marketer, to your list, to your audience, to your target market on social media, the coaches are gonna help close sales for you, okay? So all you have to focus on is the important stuff like building your brand, driving traffic, okay? And then the coaches close all the sales. So think of it from a producer perspective, okay? When you're sponsoring hundreds of people, you cannot physically maintain your freedom and your sanity at the same time while closing sales nonstop and having to call up every single member. You want to be living your life, okay? That's the reason, real reason why we're doing this business is so we can go to the beaches of the world, we can travel all over the place, and we can rest assured knowing that every single person that we sponsor into this system in this business is taken care of by the coaches. So you can rest assured at night knowing that every single person that you bring in, the coaches are going to be working with them every step of the way, and every time the coaches close a sale for you, guess who earns the commission? You do. Awesome stuff, right? All right, so the next thing, you guys, done for your marketing, right? Capture pages as sales funnels. You don't have to create your own sales funnel. You don't have to know how to create an effective sales video. All you have to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and click my business and just show you guys what you're getting through these, right? So if I click links right here, you're gonna see you get your own capture page right here that you can use for promotion through your ads. The sales page is one of the highest converting videos that we've ever seen out there online, okay? This is very, very powerful video that Dave has put together. You have the checkout page, so every single time someone goes through your specific link, you earn the commission for it, okay? So that's how it's coded to you, all right? You get banner ads that you can put on your blog, right? If you're a blogger, on your website. You have video ads that you can use for, Facebook ads or YouTube ads, so you don't have to be the ad creators. You get ad copy, okay? So you can copy these and you can use these for your marketing and your emails on social media. And as if you guys do email marketing and you're big into list building, right? You get a 45-day email sequence, so you don't even have to write any of the emails. Think of how powerful that is, right? The biggest thing that I know I struggled with and Cal struggled with when we were getting started was, what do we say? What do we say in the emails? We don't know what to send out there. So Dave has created 45 emails that are very, very powerful emails to convert the sales for you that you can even take and you can kind of like model them for your own business as well, or just, hey, promote Legendary System and earn the commissions too, okay? So that's super, super powerful, you guys, okay? Dave has written a book for you for a lead magnet, because for those of you that understand or you're trying and you're learning the process of online marketing, understanding what creates an effective sales funnel and having a lead magnet and the reason why that is so important in order to attract your target market, Dave has already created that lead magnet for you, and he already has the credibility doing over $200 million online, all right? So this guy is an absolute animal, right? He's a leader, he's a true legendary marketer, so he has the results. So leverage the credibility of his results, okay, and the leaders in this company to produce your own results. So if you're sitting there and you're worried, you're like, well, I don't know what to do. I'm not technical, I'm not tech savvy. I don't have any results. I don't have this crazy lifestyle. I don't know how to do this. What we've put together for you is we put together a private group. And when you click that link below to join our personal team, okay, you're gonna get access to our private Facebook group where we coach you and we teach you exactly what we're doing to produce results. Because you saw the results, okay, in the start. You already know that this works, all right? You may be thinking like, can this work for you too? Just understand that like, we're a little goofballs. I mean, yeah, we're wearing some robes. It's kind of in the morning right now, you know what I'm saying? We like to live the robe life. We like to live the run life. But the coolest part about this is you can do this too, but you gotta be willing to take action, okay? So it's real, it's possible. Now the only step left is for you to get started, okay? So you're gonna see below this video or on this video, if this is an ad, wherever you're watching this right now, go ahead and click that link and you're gonna be able to get plugged in with our team, get access to the group, you're gonna get your coach, and you're gonna be able to get started right now. Okay, one more thing before I close this video out, I want to show you how much the products cost and the compensation so you know what's possible for this, okay? So I'm just going to kind of like scroll down really quick here and you guys are going to see like the price points. Feel free to pause it on this video at any point, but I'm going to scroll straight to the bottom and you guys are going to see here the price points of the products and the commissions that you're going to earn from this. And I want you to understand that when you position yourself, at the highest level like we've done, then that's going to build an unconscious belief that, hey, listen, I'm all in, I made that commitment. If you guys ever read Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, right? He talks about in that book, burning the boats, right? Making a decision, a commitment to go all in, having no source of retreat. And what that is gonna do for you unconsciously, that's literally gonna help you like boost your motivation, boost your action, right? If you're just kind of like dipping your toe in the water, then you're not really serious about the business. You know what I'm saying? Like one of our mentors, he told us, if you treat this like a hobby, it's going to pay you like a hobby. But if you treat this like a multi-million-dollar business, right, then what results are you going to produce out of it? If you're going to go to McDonald's and you're going to order a, McChicken off the dollar menu, are you going to dress up nice for that and bring a date and, make plans for an arrangements and sit down and eat that McChicken? Maybe if you're a little crazy, but if you're going to go to a 5-star restaurant in like New York or, Toronto or a very popular city around the world, it's going to cost a little bit more, but you're going to take it more seriously, right? Because it costs more. You're going to plan for it. You got to make an appointment. Okay, you're going to show up. You're actually going to enjoy the meal. You're going to enjoy the view. You're going to enjoy the whole environment. So understand that when you guys position yourself properly and you make that decision to go all in, the coaches are closing sales for you, all right? And you're earning the high ticket commissions from it. Just like Apple, right? How is Apple so successful? Okay, as I close this video out, think about this for a second. Is Apple so successful from their iPhones? No, they're not. They're successful because of their desktops and their higher ticket products that they sell. Apple's like little iPhones and their iPods and their earbuds are the break-even products. So you as a business owner, you got to start thinking from a CEO perspective. You got to start thinking, right? Instead of saying, it's got cost too much money, right? That costs too much. I don't want to do that. Look at your life right now and ask yourself, are you where you want to be financially? Right? Not only financially, but from a lifestyle perspective and from a freedom perspective. If the answer is no, then it's time to make a commitment, all right? It's time to make a decision to do something different, because if you don't change the things in your life isn't gonna change. It's like, I think it was George Saluki who said this. He says, for things in your life to change, you have to change things in your life. That was actually Jim Rohn who said that, all right? Legendary Marketer is a real deal, okay? It's a real system. You can take the skill sets that you apply. They're priceless, they're timeless, all right? And you're gonna be able to leverage those skill sets for the rest of the lifetime that you're doing marketing, okay? Both online and offline. So with that being said, now that you're ready to make a commitment to get started, click the link below, join the team, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside. And we also look forward to seeing you on the beaches of the world.
Now go to work, bitch. Work, bitch.